So the voices are splitting. Some voices are coming out with happiness. It's a mixture of joy and happiness, right? Why it is joy? We are sending our 10th class brothers and sisters with happiness. We are promoting them. That's why one way we are happy, the other way we are missing, right? Farewell, in my view, it's a promotion in your life, right? A small baby, it can't wait more than 9 months in the mother's womb. Can it wait? 9 నెలల కంటే వెయిట్ చేస్తే అక్కడ బేబీకి ప్రమాదం. 9 months బేబీ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? It will come into the world. So is it getting promotion or not? It's enjoying its life. Small baby can't wait at home without going to school. స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళకుండా ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉంటుందా బేబీ? ఎటు వస్తుంది? ఇంటి నుంచి స్కూల్కి వచ్చింది. ఇట్స్ ఎ ప్రమోషన్ ఆర్ నాట్? సో వన్స్ దే కంప్లీట్ ద స్కూల్, దే గో ఫర్ college life. You think it's a colorful life. See, in that area you have many chances that you may do so many mistakes. So if you have more discipline in that area, your life will be more happy. See, once you complete the college life, where will you go? You will come to the real world. That time you realize how to lead the life. ప్రపంచంలో మన లైఫ్ జయించాలంటే ఈ కాలేజ్ లైఫ్, స్కూల్ లైఫ్ అంతా కూడా ఇట్ మస్ట్ గో విత్ వెరీ మచ్ highly disciplined. So once again I am reminding you all, whoever the children work sincerely, honestly, right, without cheating yourself, not for your parents, not for your society. If you work for 25 years, remaining entire life you can feel very, very happy. Am I right? So at this moment I congratulate all the 10th class children for achieving your 10 years of school life successfully. And once again I wish you all happy, joyful, prosperous life. Wish you all the best. And also we can appreciate the 9th class students for conducting this farewell. Yes, wish you all the best. Good luck. Thank you all.